This is how I drew cardioid with gears. To actually see it, let us take this thin plastic strip. Tie both ends together to form a cylinder. If we project a flashlight like this, we get a nice pattern here. This curve is called cardioid, a heart-shaped curve. This Wikipedia page discusses this curve at length. A cardioid is a plane curve traced by a point on the perimeter of a circle that is rolling around a fixed circle of the same radius. I decided to use gears instead of plain round disc. These two gears have the same teeth and hence radius as well. These holes are used to hold sketch pen in place. For now, we will use this hole near the teeth to trace the path. We get cardioid. Let us look at the FreeCad design to understand more. When properly aligned, pitch circle of gears touch each other. Let us trace the pitch circle here as well. Can you guess the area of cardioid if the area of this circle is A? It is 6 times. How about arc length? Arc length is 16 times that of a radius. Can you find a way to validate this? Go ahead and use graph paper to plot this curve so that we can analyze the equations. How about using larger gear as a pivot? Can you guess the shape of the curve traced by outer gear? Try the same with smaller gear as well. There are other instances where identical curves are present, like this apple, or in this T curve. Simple thread and sieve can be used to construct the curve as well. Here is how the trace path will look like if we use other holes in the outer gear. I also tried to trace the curve with the help of two acrylic round discs. It was not a comfortable experience. As usual, I printed these gears on my Ender 3 machines. Do find out about these interesting heart-shaped curves, also known as cardioid. Thank you.